Hi everyone. So now let's start with the parasitology. So in parasitology, they usually give a photograph of either a parasite or its egg. So in this slide, I have combined all the eggs which has very high probability of getting asked. So the first one is this. I'll talk about pinworm first because in NEET 2024 they asked it, and in NEET 2025 they also asked pinworm. So let's just start with the pinworm. So what is pinworm? So it is Enterobius vermicularis. So it's Enterobius vermicularis and it can cause auto-infection. So you can see this is the egg of pinworm. Okay, yeah. So this is the egg of pinworm, and pinworm is Enterobius vermicularis. It causes auto-infection, and either it is usually happens in children. So either you can apply the scotch tape and remove it, and when you remove it near the anal canal, you'll see some sort of worms and eggs. So you can either get a swab or you can get scotch tape via scotch tape. And also on eggs you can see cervical ala. So this is how the cervical ala would probably look. So yeah, this is cervical ala of the pinworm. Okay, so the second most important is what I feel out of everything is, I don't have battery right now, so it is whipworm. So whipworm is trichuria. You can see it. So it has this mucus plug at the end. Matlab this is egg, and so at the end you can see very clearly that at the end you have mucus plug. So it is called as whipworm, and you usually get coconut cake rectum in whipworm infection. So yeah, this is whipworm. Next is hookworm. Hookworm, you have got two hookworm, which is old world hookworm and new world hookworm. So old is Encyclostoma duodenal and new is Nectar americans. This is the egg of the hookworm. Okay, yeah, 1 2 3 4. So hookworm, then we have discussed whipworm, which is trichuria. Then you have pinworm, which is Enterobius vermicularis, and the next is roundworm. So in round one is Escherichia lumbricoides. So it causes malabsorption, and it can also go to lung and causes Loeffler's pneumonitis. So Loeffler's pneumonia or Loeffler's pneumonitis, whatever you want to call it. And this is the fertilized egg of roundworm, and this is the unfertilized egg of roundworm, which is Escherichia lumbricoides. Roundworm is the largest one out of all the nematodes. So yeah. Now let's just talk about schistosomiasis for a second. So this is the schistosomiasis eggs. To study 3 different species in this group. So one is S. mansoni, the second one is S. hematobium, and the third one is S. japonicum. So this is lateral spine. This is the terminal spine. Okay, this is the terminal. Why is it not working? This is the terminal spine, and this has got no spine. So Japanese people got no spine, and Mansi, which is lateral spine. So S. mansoni has got lateral spine, S. hematobium got terminal spine, and japonicum got no spine. So that's that, and it has got Cercarian larva. It goes via skin penetration, and the drug of choice for that is praziquantel. So that's your parasite egg. The most important out of all of it is you just have to identify the photo of egg and just mark the option. So yes, that's that. Thank you so much.